Right now, the radar is sweeping around, showing a large area of showers and thunderstorms south of the 10,000 Island area here off of mainland Monroe. And you can see all of that lightning here with this thunderstorm as it drifts off towards the east. For most of the area, we are dry, but we still have some wet weather here in southern Collier along 41 between Port of the Islands and Everglades City. And a few of these showers stretch up State Road 29 towards I-75 here. Matter of fact, heading up towards Ave Maria as well. But from the Caloosahatchee north, we are dry. So areas along the Peace River as well. Port Charlotte, Punta Gorda looking good, as well as Arcadia. As we go throughout the day, we'll start off mostly cloudy and then get partly sunny here throughout the afternoon. Officially, we picked up 0.05 yesterday in Fort Myers, nowhere near that record of 1.18 set back in 1963. We're waking up with temperatures well above our average, which sits in the upper 50s. We're at 65 in the Cape, 64 Fort Myers, and almost 70 down in Naples. And this is a little bit warmer than where we woke up to start the weekend on Saturday. Dew point value sitting here around 60. No surprise there with the moisture that's in place. So with the wind coming in out of the northeast here, 5 to 10. Later on this afternoon, we'll see a high temperature of 75. Your sunset time coming up at 5:38. And again, after a cloudy start, we will see some sunshine throughout the day. Here are your averages, 77 to 57. Record on this day, 88 back in 2016. And that cool air has slid across the eastern half of the U.S., but Miami is still pretty warm, 73 degrees there. And it's going to take a few days for all of us to get in the holiday spirit here, as we are expecting a huge cold snap as we get closer towards Christmas. In the meantime, let's talk about the next couple of days. For this afternoon, as sunshine returns, we keep things dry and quiet here on Monday. However, Tuesday, the highest chance of rain in the 7-day forecast as the next storm system moves through. Most of the storms should happen after sunset on Tuesday, continuing overnight into the early parts of Wednesday. So as we look at today, it's mostly sunny later on this afternoon, looking good for Monday. And you can see what a difference we have when we get towards Tuesday afternoon as those showers and storms move in. Want to show you the upper level pattern. We finally got some cool air dipping across the eastern third of the U.S. And I'm going to let this play out until Christmas Eve, where we have a historic cold weather outbreak here. Huge storm system causing travel headaches here across the Midwest. The exact path of that storm will yet to be determined here the next day or two. But notice that cold air diving to the south. So what we're going to see here as we get towards Christmas Eve morning, that should be our coldest. We could be in the upper 30s to low 40s in some sections of Southwest Florida. So stormy late on Tuesday, and what will really start to seal the headlines this week, well, like I said, that's Christmas Eve morning. Waking up there, 41, highs only 58 degrees.